gals, check out this bad 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Pro Touring Resto Mod. Beautiful, beautiful restoration. Gorgeous blue paint. Not a scratch on my car. This is a bad boy, guys. This is something that is special that you don't see every day. All right, it's a 572 big block under the hood. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Look at the beautiful paintwork all around the car. New chrome bumpers, back, front, all the bezels, tail lights, all the trim around the windows. Look at this custom fit on this American Racing rim, okay? Look how close that is with the 275 55 17s, and it does not rub. Drilled brakes, four-wheel power, beautiful paint, excellent chrome handles all around, vertical strips, weather stripping, tinted windows. There I am. Yeah, yeah. Look at that. Custom 572 emblem on the side, cross and drilled disc in the front. Look at that chrome in the front, bezels, grille, fitment. Guys, look at the fitment on the hood all the way down. I get a lot of these Chevelles, guys, and the bodywork on this thing is immaculate. They did a gorgeous job. I would love to continue and tell you guys a little bit more about the interior. You're gonna freaking love this thing. Look at this thing. Holy cannoli. Leather seats installed, and it's been done throughout the entire interior. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that package tray. Headliner in suede. Sun visors in suede. The dash has been wrapped and custom stitched, as you can see throughout. Carbon fiber dash installed with the carbon fiber autometer. Are these autometers? Autometer gauges throughout. Man, look at the steering wheel. Chrome setup on the IDITIT column, tilt wheel. You guys ready for this? Look at these door panels. Holy schnizzles. All right, suede, leather, carbon fiber. I mean, what else do you want? Look at the inner door jambs. Door sill plates are new, rockers are new, outer jambs are beautiful. Paint is excellent on the car. I love that they kept the wheel moldings off and smoothed it out, because look at that sleek look. That looks good. That looks good. Look at that gap. Let's walk around to the passenger side now. Man, I am in LOVE right now, man. Car heaven, car heaven. Door lips are perfect. Like I said, man, that is a cool ass door. That is such a nice door panel, man. I gotta find out who made those, man. Look at that. Look at that. 5-speed Tremec transmission, 4-wheel power disc brake, 572 custom center console, beautiful back seat, headliner, dash is stitched in, Ford 9-inch posi unit. Let me get the keys so I can pop the trunk. The trunk has what they call it's like an alien kit. It's not an alien kit, it's just an enclosure kit that was custom done. All right, that's the key for the ignition. And then the round key here is for the trunk. Okay, put fuel in this bad boy. It's right here under the plate. All right. Stripes are done really nice, man. All new weather stripping throughout. Spare tire enclosure kit throughout. All suede in here. Original quarter. Look at that. Look at that finish. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. And guess what? Other side's original too with the factory GM stampings. Whew, man, this one takes my breath away, man. Check out underneath this thing, man. H-pipe dual exhaust, big 4-inch posi rear end in it, dual exhaust, as you can see. Look at how clean that is on the frame. Big old tire, big old 275. Man, they did a nice job on this car. Beautiful restoration, beautiful. So, now I'm gonna pop the hood. If you guys wanna check out some other cars, you can. mgmclassiccars.com. This is how we do it. Best in the Northwest, baby. All right, we own our cars. We don't consign here. We put our money where our mouth is. And I got a garage full back there as well, full of beautiful classics that you guys can go look at mgmclassiccars.com. Whew, let's pop the hood. So to pop the hood on this one, right down here, pull the lever, and the hood opens. Man, look at that paint. It's like a piece of candy. You guys ain't ready for this. Are you ready? Are you ready? You ain't ready for this. Booyah! Yeah. Mm-hmm. If you don't know what this is, now you know. I don't want to tell you about the horsepower rating. You guys go ahead and look it up. Little homework. You guys see what the 572 aluminum head puts out. Look at the pulley system, air conditioning, Demon carb, beautiful inner fenders, nice firewall, cowl is nice, big aluminum radiator with the big old fan, argent door hinges, hood hinges, latch, assembly, how it should be. If you guys didn't know, that's how a Chevelle, that's how they came with that argent color as well, and the hinges. Factory color code, as you can see right there. What does that say? Let's go zoom in right there. Code number 26, okay? You guys, another little homework assignment. You guys can check out what factory color in a 72 Chevelle is code 26. So you guys can look that up too. Look at that. What motor's in there? Well, what's a 572? What motor's in there? Oh, it's a 572. Oh, God. Well, listen, guys, honestly, this is one of my premier cars, man. I mean, I got some real nice ones. You got a Copo in the corner, LS setup on the Impala, LS setup on my 69 red RS car. I mean, there's just some beautiful stuff here. Okay, yep, right there, bam. There's some nice stuff, but listen, this one here, man, pro touring all the way, with power, with comfort. I mean, listen, you're sitting in a restored car, blowing cold air on you. You're hitting the tunes. All the gauges function. The motor's putting out hella horsepower on this thing with cold air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brake on a 4-inch posi unit. God, man, what else do you want? What else do you want? Tilt wheel, 5-speed right on your right hand, beautiful center console, suede headliner. This bad boy screams like crazy. I wish I can take you guys for a test drive, but it's December. I'm in Illinois, and this car's not going out in this cold weather. It's not gonna happen. It runs and drives and stops nicer than it looks, and it looks. This is a 10 to me, guys. This is a bad machine. So, let's fire it up. Let's listen to it. Look at this leather. I mean, this is soft. It's all stitched. It matches the dash. Carbon fiber setup. I mean, have you ever seen anything like this? Guys, you're gonna go to a car show and you're gonna be the only ones with something like this. This is badass. Fuel gauge doesn't work, but I'm going to get that fixed. I don't know why that's sitting like that. There's all your controllers. Look at that. And does it shift nice, guys? Oh my God. Whew, man. Let this settle in for me for a little bit here, man. I don't get these every day, and when I do, I really take it in. All right, let's fire it up. Holy cow. Oh my God. Wow, wow, wow. That's what a 572. That's what a 572 is. You guys want the baddest, the biggest? Guys, don't look further. Trust me, you're not going to find it. But you know what? Do me a favor. Go look at it. Go look at some others, but you're not going to match this. You're not going to match my price. My first 65 grand takes the car. That's how it is. Listen, if you guys want financing, not a problem. If you pay your bills on time, I'll get you financed. If your credit score is between let's say 630 to 700, I get you done with about 10% down on the car, you know. And if your credit score is like, you know, 730 and above, I'll get you done even with no money down, right? Because you're paying your bills on time. This can be financed and put right into your freaking garage. I will deliver it and closed. Financing, you know, about 15 minutes to get you approved. If you guys are ready to buy the car, like I said, the first 65 G's takes the car. Nothing less, nothing more, because she's ready to go. The only thing that I'm going to do to this car, as you see from now till then, is going to be the LED headlights, the LED turn signals, and then I'm going to do the LEDs in the back as well on the bullet lights and also the reverse light. I'm going to get that done. So that's what I'm doing to the car with the LEDs. Everything works on this bad boy. Heat, defrost, AC, everything you want, wipers, horn, all of the gauges. I'm going to fix that fuel gauge. I don't know why it's not working, but I'll get that fixed. Not a problem. So if you guys are ready to finance, let's make sure I still have this car. If you're ready to buy it, let's make sure I still have it, because I don't know if it's going to last that long. All right, so we can take care of that. Call me, text me. My number is 847-848. Hemi? Yeah, okay. 847, I'll start over. Go grab a pen. All right? Or you can rewind the video. 847-848-1850. Text me, call me, email me with your zip code. I'll get you a quote. This bad boy only goes in an enclosed trailer. Okay? Only enclosed trailer. That's how nice this paint is. Don't be cheap. Don't try and save $300 to $400 to get this thing shipped in an open carrier. It's not worth the risk. This thing is one of a kind, ready to go, right to your driveway, right to your garage. If you guys are ready to buy the car, call me, 847-848-1850. You guys know the stock number. I refer to all my little honeys here with stock numbers, as you can see. Oh, there are some nice ones. Yeah, there's more back there. Yeah. Is that a supercharger? Holy shit. Anyway, my number is 847-848-1850. I want to thank you guys for spending your time with me at mgmclassiccars.com. My name's Thomas. Yes. Call me, text me. Let's get this deal done. We'll talk soon.